Good morning, students. In today's session, we will discuss about sample question paper second. In previous video, we have discussed question paper 1. So let's start with topic directly. Your computer syllabus is divided into part A and B. Part A contains two types of question. One is very short answer, or second one is your case-based study. So we start with question number 1, section 1. Which part of TCP IP is responsible for handling the address of destination computer so that each packet is routed to its proper destination? It means which address is responsible in TCP IP, TCP or IP. TCP full form is Transmission Control Protocol. It is responsible for transmission of data. But for addressing, we have a protocol that is IP, that is Internet Protocol. So the answer of this question is IP protocol is responsible for handling the address of destination computer. Question number second, what is the correct HTML code to display NH3? If you will see the problem NH3, 3 written at half corrected down. It means it's a problem of subscripting, and for that we will use subscript tab. Directly we will write NH and 3 we will write in subscript. So we will write NH, then we will start sub tag. In sub we will write 3 and then we will close the sub tag. It means sub tag is a type of container tag that will be open also and that will be closed also. Next question, what do you mean by netiquettes? Netiquettes is a combination of two words, network plus etiquettes. While we are going online, which etiquettes we need to require? That is known as netiquettes. Netiquettes means respecting others, user, views and displaying common etiquettes when posting your views to online discussion group. It means while you are going online, you need to give respect to the others to whom you are going to be discuss or chatting, or you're going to see the views of others. That is a concept of netiquettes. Fourth one is HTML is a subset of dash. HTML is a subset of HGML. It is a little bit different question from your syllabus, but you need to learn. It means HGML is a larger language and HTML is a subpart of HGML. Question number 5. And dash linking allows a link to another section on the same or different web page. While we are moving on the same or different web pages, we need to link internal linking. If we are moving only the outside web pages, external web pages, in that case we need to link the external linking. Question number 6. Dash tag is used to connect web pages. Hyperlink tag is used to connect web pages. And hyperlinking can be performed with the help of anchor tag. Next is frame attribute is used with dash attribute. Frame attribute is used with border. While we are giving the border of table, while we are giving the border of web page, in that case we will use the frame attribute. Question number 8. Dash may be used to display to apply a unique style for a single element. For a single element, the style that will be used, that is known as inline style sheet. Question number 9. Ria is an employee of ABC company. She wants to hold meeting with her colleagues who are in different places. How can she hold the meeting? Because Ria is the meeting taker, she is the boss of the meeting, so she need to use the video conferencing to conduct the meeting because it provides the functionality of audio and video connections. So Ria should use video conferencing that integrate video and audio to connect user anywhere in the complete world and as if they are in same room. Question number 10. Which term refers to the companies that provide internet connection to the user? The person or the company or the organization which provide the services is known as ISP. That is known as Internet Service Provider. Question number 11. Which term is used to reserve all the rights of owner to the information to decide how much information to be exchanged, shared and distributed? That is known as intellectual property right. The term that is used to reserve all the rights of a person or a owner of a company to the information to decide, that is known as intellectual property right. It can be asked in a definition form also. Write short note or on IPR or intellectual property right. We can write the same definition. That term that is used to reserve all the right of the owner to the information to decide in which information is shared or exchanged is known as intellectual property rights. Question number 12. How would you display text in the title bar of a browser? To display the text in the title bar of browser, we will use the title tag, and title tag is also known as container tag, and it is written inside the header tag. Firstly, header tag will start. In header tag, title tag will start. In title tag, we will write the title bar, whatsoever you want to write. Afterward, title tag will be closed and then head will be closed. Question number 13. Which tag tells where a link starts? It means where a link is connected. Anchor tag tells the user a link is start from that location. It means anchor tag is used to linking between the different pages. Now we are moving to section number 2, that is related to the concept of what is case-based study? Case-based study, one paragraph is given. You have to give answer according to that case. Two case study are given. Study number 1 is given related to TCP/IP, that is Transmission Control Protocol or Internet Protocol. I am directly discussing the question answer part. You can read the study from PDF. The full form of TCP/IP is options are Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol, Transfer Control Protocol, Internet Protocol, Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol, internal protocol, and fourth D part is Transfer Control Protocol or internal protocol. So the answer is Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. Transmission Control Protocol will help to transmit the data, while Internet Control is used to controlling the address of receiver side. What is protocol? Options are given. A set of rules applicable for sending an email, a set of rules applicable for network, a set of rules applicable for social media, or a set of rules application for good etiquettes. While the definition of protocol is a set of rules that is applicable for a network. Question number 3. Which of the following is an internet protocol? Options are HTTP, FTP, both A and B, and none of these. HTTP and FTP both are internet protocol that will help to transfer or receiving data with the help of internet connection. So the answer is both A and B. Question number 4. Which of the following protocol is used for delivering data from source to destination? TCP, IP, SMTP, or ARPANET? The answer is IP. Internet protocol is used to deliver data from source to the destination place. Next is, in internet protocol, data is organized in the form of bundles, switches, packets, or parts. The answer is data is organized in the form of packets. Small packets are designed in the form of internet protocol. For example, if you want to send data of 2 GB and your data speed is 256 MB, in that case, total 8 packets of 256 KB data will be prepared. Question number 6. Which communication protocol is used by the internet? TCP/IP, W3C, or WWW, or HTML? TCP/IP protocol is used by the internet. Question number 7 of case study 1. Which part of TCP/IP is responsible for dividing a file or a message into very small parts at source computer. Options are TCP, IP, both A and B, and all of these. While we are discussing about dividing a packet, transferring data or small parts, everything is performed in TCP, IP and TCP and IP both protocol. So the answer is both A and B. These all are the questions related to the case study 1. Now we will start with case study 2, and case study 2 is related to the table tag. Next case study is related to table tag. You can read the paragraph from PDF. I am directly discussing the question answers. Which of the following is an attribute of table tag? SRC, link, cell padding or bold? Source, link and bold. These three are not related to the table. The table tag related attribute is your cell padding. That is relating to the space in between of table. Question number second, which of these tag belong to the table? T head body TR, table head T foot, table TR TD or table TR TT. The answer is table TR TD. Table tag is main tag, in TR is the table row and TD is the table data. Question number 3, which of the following is not an attribute of table tag? Border, BG color, background or source? Source is not related to table tag because source is related to the image tag attribute. Question number 4, which tag is used to add columns in the table? Column span, TD, TR, TH. TD tag is related to insertion of columns in a table. Question number 5, border frame, cell spacing, cell padding, align are the attribute that are related to body, image, table or none of the above. All attributes are related to the table tag. Question number 6, the attribute used to set the border color of a table is known as, that is border color or border space color. The answer is border color, combine it is without spacing, border color attribute is used. And last question of case study second, table tag is a type of container tag, empty tag, both A and B or none of the above. Table tag is a container tag, you need to close also and you need to open it also. That's why it is known as container tag. So part A is completed. Now we are moving to part B. In part B, all questions are compulsory. In case of internal choices, you can attempt any one. Question is, Mawana Sugar Mill Private Limited has a head office located in Mawana and a large number of branches nationwide. The head office used to video conferencing to communicate with the branch manager. So the first question, identify the requirement to be filled by each branch for video conferencing. What we need to contact through the video conferencing? Each branch requires various equipments like they need computer, video cameras, microphone and the major thing, internet connection. It should be proper, that should be of good quality internet connection. Question number second of 16, give some advantages of using video conferencing. The major advantage is it is an extremely useful method for communication on a large distance or a long distance, and it saves time and expenses of traveling also. Question number 17, what are the types of URL? URL depend upon the location of the document which user will link. Basically URL could be of two types, absolute URL and relative URL. Absolute URL, it specifies the exact location of a file or directly on the internet. Absolute URL defines that each URL is unique, which means that if two URL are identical, then they point to the same file. Relative URL, it points a file or directly in relation to the present directory, and it locates a resource using an absolute URL as a starting point. So it typically consists of the path and optionally the resource, but no scheme and no server. Relative URL is related to the absolute URL. It means firstly you need to write the absolute URL at a starting point. Question number 18. What is digital divide? Explain. Digital divide is dividing between different type of person or distribution. So it is a term that describes the uneven distribution of information and communication technology in a society. And the digital divide appears in a number of different contexts like difference between rural and urban internet services, socio-economic difference between people of different races, income and education that affects their ability to access the internet. And third one, differences between developing and emerging nation in the term of availability of internet. It means it is a difference between different type of services like rural or urban, socio-economics or different type of person or organization or an individual also. Question number 19. How does attitudinal factor contribute to a digital divide? Attitudinal factor derived from the cultural or behavioral attribute. So it is toward the technology. Many people thought that new technology is harmful for young generation. So it will help to contribute in a society that technology is helpful. It's not a harmful for a society. Next is, what is a base font? Name any two attribute used with this tag. Base font tag specifies a default font size, color and face for a font. The browser will use to render normal document text, the text for which no other font setting has been provided. It occurs only for one time in the document. The attribute of this tag are size and face. Now it is a question that is related to the internal choice. You can attempt anyone. Second question is, what is combo box? Basically, a select element present a set of options to the user. If only a single entry can be selected and no visible size has been specified, the options are provided in combo box like drop down menu. Select tag create a combo box for selecting among choices. You specify each choice with an option tag. So combo box is related to the drop down list that is created with the help of select and option tag. Select tag is the major tag. In select tag we will provide the different options. Out of these options a user can select any one on the same time, and that are also related to the container tag. That's why they will be enclosed between select and select attribute or option attribute. Identify the errors in the following tag. Now read the problem very carefully. HTML is correct. Now title, welcome. Now see here, title tag is started but not closes. The tag that is closed, that is a head tag. It means we need to start heading tag before title, and we need to close title tag before before heading. So the error 1, the title tag must be within the head tag. Error 2, now see the body part. Body tag we have started, body tag we have closed, but the slash is wrong. We need to use the forward slash. It's not a backward slash. So the closing tag of body tag is slash body, slash will be of different type. And third one, the major error, HTML tag is started but not closes. So we need to insert HTML also. So the correct code is given at below. Next question, differentiate between the following: TR and TH. TR represents table row and TH represents table heading. So the major difference, table row is the major denote the main table row, while TH denote the table header, and table row is used to create a new row of data, while table heading is used to specify table headings. And the difference between ordered list and unordered list is that one. Ordered list will be start with OL tag and unordered list will be start with UL tag. Second thing, by default the numbering that is used, it can be 1 2 3, but unordered list it shows the bullets. And third difference, you can also do ordered list will support 5 types of ordered data like Roman, numeric, alphabetic, small alphabet or large Romans. But in unordered list will support disk, circle and square type of bullets. Question number 23. Which rule should be follow for good net etiquettes? It means which type of rules are followed while you are using the internet connection. That is the exact question. Very first thing, avoid posting inflammatory or offensive comments online that are not required, that are already done, that are not useless. Never try to comment online. Second thing, respect others' privacy by not showing personal information like photos or videos that another person may not want published online. Third one, never spam others by sending large amount of unsolicited email. Never use the bundle of emails that are not required. Fourth one, don't troll people in web form or website. Comment by repeatedly nagging or annoying them. And don't use offensive language like abusing, like this type of language is not required. Don't trust other when you are new on the network. And seventh one, avoid replying to the negative comments with more negative comments. And last one, stick to the topic when posting in online forms, when commenting on photos or videos such as YouTube or Facebook. Question number 24. Name the e-commerce types for the by the following. Like problem 1 is there. It applies to the businesses buying from and selling to each other over the internet. That is known as B2B communication, or it is also known as business to business communication, because that like business is transferring to other business, selling and buying is between the other businesses, so it is known as business to business. Second one, it describes activities of business serving and consumers with products and services. It is known as business to consumer because activities of business serving is related to the consumers only. Consumers will get the product and business will provide. So it's a types of communication that is known as B2C. Third one, it applies to any consumer that sells a product or service to the business owner to the internet. That is known as C2B. It means consumer is selling and business is buying, it is C2B. If business is selling, consumer is buying, that is known as B2C. If one business is selling and other business is buying, that is known as B2B communication. Question number 25. Define the broadband connection. Broadband commonly referred to a high-speed connection that will perform very highly, and it is always on and faster than the traditional dial-up connection. And the speed of broadband connection is also measured in Mbps, that is known as megabits per second. If B is caps written, that will be megabyte, but if B is small written, that is megabit. And broadband access allows user to connect to the internet at a greater speed than a standard 256 kbps connection or modem. And broadband access requires the use of a broadband modem also. And broadband connection also helps to transfer data in the form of audio, video, or online chatting also. So broadband connection is helpful in a 4G technology due to the performance of audio and video signals. Now internal choice is also given. Internal choice question is, explain the elements of email account. In email, we are generally using inbox, outbox, sent mail, draft, trash, spam. All such things, terms that are used in email, are you will need to discuss. Inbox is related to the all incoming mails. Outbox, the message is stored in outbox until it is not sent to the recipient. And sent mail, it contains all the sent messages. And draft, it contains the messages which are ready to be sent. And trash, it collect a group of deleted messages. And spam, it contains junk emails only. Now write the code to generate the following web page. Now some already points are given. We will discuss accordingly. First point is, title of page should be music, and A link color should be orange and V link color should be green, and both are tag related to the body, active link and visited link. And font face of the heading, it is Andalus, and the color of heading is brown, and table border is 3 pixel and border color is blue, and image used on the left side as a headphone.jpg, and used link are like b1.html, l1.html and o1.html. Let's start with the problem now. Now see here in the problem, same title is written as music. Second thing, a link is orange, v link is green, that are related to the body tag. Font face is Anticulus and color is brown. And the image source is headphone.jpg and it is aligned at left side. And the width of image we have mentioned 100 and height we have mentioned 80. Now h1 tag, heading tag align is left, and in h1 tag it is written as music touch. You can see in the problem also, in heading it is written as music touch. Now see here, it is left side and it is the heading that is related to the music touch. Now next thing, now afterward font tag is closed and font size is 4, that is written in a text format on a web page. We have written the complete text that is written. Where BR tag is needed for line break, we have used BR tag. After completion of that, now again BR tag is used for spacing. Now we have given the references. Like while we are clicking on Bollywood song options, it will directly move to b1.html page. While we click on latest song, it will move to l1.html. And when we will click on old songs, it will directly move to 1.html. Now at the bottom, table is prepared. In table border is 3 pixels, it is already given. Alignment is center and border color is blue. And the caption of the table is list of song and the caption color is red. Caption is the heading of table it is. And now first row is related to the heading of table, in which 3 headings are given. First one heading is singer, second heading is song title, and third heading that is given film. Afterward, first row completed. Now we'll move to second row. Second row, now see here, 3 rows are combined together. 3 rows are spent together. See in the problem of table. See here. Here 3 rows are given, but it is used as 1 row and the value is Shreya Ghosal. So we will firstly apply the row span property in table. Row span equal to 3. Afterward, BG color is yellow and Shreya Ghosal is the content that is written in combined cell. Afterward, second value is Beripia and table data row span is 3 and the content is Devdas. Afterward, second row is completed. Now move to third row. In third row, we will enter only 2 values because first value is already used in a table row option. So we will write here Chalak Chalak, whatever it is written there. Afterward, third row, it is written data Dola Re Dola. And in fourth row, again row span is there. That is row span of 3 values. Color is yellow and the value is Mohit Chauhan. Next data is Jo Bhi Main and third one is Rockstar. These all properties will be applied and afterward your table will also get completed. And at bottom one paragraph is aligned, that is on right side, and in that paragraph a email is written like hyper reference, it is ahref equal to details@abc.com. While we are using an email, in that case anchor tag will use ahref hyper reference. While we are making a communication by using the linking part, in that case it will take the reference like web page reference or website reference, like it is written here. In hyper reference it is written a web page address, HTML page address. While we are using email, in that case we will use the email address. Afterward, when we will move to the browser and we will run the particular code, it will show the page of like this only. If you are having any problem in designing the page or related to any tag, you can ask me on my WhatsApp number personally. Just put your query on my WhatsApp number, that is 999118890. Now it is also an internal choice question. Second question that is related to that, name the attribute for changing the type of font. And the attribute is face only. Font has 3 attributes: face, color and size. And to change the type of font, the attribute that is used, that is known as font face. Second question, name the element to enter the data in next line. That is line break tag. This is known as BR tag. Third question, write HTML code to display an image on the right side of the page. For display an image on right side, the tag that is used, that is alignment tag, that is align right. For that, we will firstly pick the image from a source attribute, that is image source equal to image.jpg. Then we will give the alignment that will be on the right side. Fourth question, help Shivam to add image with height 100 and width 120 and the image name is logo.jpg. It's a general question. Image source equal to logo.jpg. Height attribute contains value 100 and width attribute contains value 120. And the last question of the sample paper, write code where horizontal line of document of red color. And horizontal line means it is related to the HR tag. HR tag will be start and the HR tag attribute we will use, that is color, and color will be the red. Again I am speaking, if you are facing any problem in any question, you can ask me on my WhatsApp number personally. Just put your query on my WhatsApp number, that is 999118890. But one suggestion from my side, while you are writing answer for 2 marks or 3 marks, it should be as per the marks length. If question is related to 3 marks, the explanation should be at least 6 to 7 line. It should not be less than that, because length also matters and content also matters. So length should be proper and content should also be proper. Thank you. Have a nice day. We will meet in next video with the next sample paper. Thank you. Thank you.